Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox crashing on your phone. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox crashing problems on your phone, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to this window of Roblox and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.